Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using HSBC UAE. HSBC UAE, a comprehensive banking experience. In this review, we'll explore HSBC UAE, a prominent player in the UAE's banking landscape. As one of the world's leading financial institutions, HSBC's UAE division offers a diverse suite of products and services tailored for a broad clientele, including expats, local residents, small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, and large corporations. HSBC UAE effectively combines global banking expertise with localized solutions to meet the unique needs of its customers. Let's start with their account options. HSBC UAE provides a tiered system of personal banking accounts, including standard, advance, and premier options. Each tier offers distinct benefits, such as fee-free international money transfers, preferential exchange rates, and priority customer service for premier account holders. This makes HSBC UAE a particularly compelling choice for expats requiring seamless global banking connectivity, thanks to features like multi-currency accounts and effortless international account linking. HSBC UAE's digital banking platforms are equally impressive. Their mobile app and online banking interface are user-friendly and robust, providing intuitive features for account management, bill payments, and real-time transaction tracking. A key strength of HSBC UAE is their commitment to customer service. With 24/7 support accessible online and via their call centers, they ensure prompt resolution of customer queries and concerns. HSBC UAE also boasts a comprehensive branch network, particularly in major urban centers like Dubai and Abu Dhabi, supplemented by a widespread ATM network for convenient cash withdrawals and deposits. Beyond everyday banking, HSBC UAE offers a compelling range of credit cards, including cashback and premier cards, with rewards tailored for frequent travelers and shoppers. For those seeking investment opportunities, HSBC's wealth management services offer a diverse portfolio of mutual funds, structured products, and insurance plans to help individuals grow their assets. HSBC UAE also excels in lending solutions, providing competitive interest rates and flexible terms for mortgages and personal loans. Their trade finance and SME banking solutions are highly regarded within the UAE market. In summary, HSBC UAE is an excellent choice for globally mobile individuals, high-net-worth individuals, and those seeking reliable international banking services. The bank successfully blends global trustworthiness with local adaptability, making it a compelling option in the UAE banking sector. Be sure to explore the links in the description below for more detailed information.